Good morning, everybody. It's Jovi with GiFTgive, and today is Wednesday. So we're going to talk about the release that we had yesterday and go from there. So let's get right into it. First, let's take a quick look at our releases page. As always, at help.gift-give.com, we have all of our new features and releases as they come out on Tuesday, and this one's right here for you. We have 4 new features here, and we fixed a bug as well this week. We also did a lot of other work on our marketing engine, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that in just a second. So let's get into it. First, we added a new button to the bottom of our edit screen, and let me show you that real quick. We did that. We got some feedback from our surveys and said that when folks are creating a lot of needs, they want a real easy way to create those needs. So here's our needs screen, and what we did at the bottom of this needs screen is we went ahead and added a few things here. We added this create another need, which will immediately send you to create a brand new need. You can duplicate this need or go back. So a real easy way, if you're done editing a need for the first time, you can click here and it'll bring you immediately over to the create new need screen. So just to save you a few seconds in getting to it, and we want this process to be as quick as possible for you guys. So another thing that we've done here is that we've moved the create a new need button, and we did that for a couple reasons. One, we wanted it to be consistent. It used to be sitting over here, but we also wanted to be more specific in some cases on where you were creating the need. So if you're looking at all needs, you hit the create new need button and it creates it right there. It doesn't link it to any campaigns. But if you're in a campaign and you click this, it's very specific that it's creating this new need in the campaign. So just wanted to be very clear that when you're creating a new need and you have the campaign filter selected, you're creating that need within the campaign. Now, it's a real nice, easy way for you to create a bunch of needs in a specific campaign. Lastly, what we've done is we've defaulted a few things. If you do decide to create a new need in the campaign, what we've done is we've defaulted 3 things for you. We've defaulted the start date and the end date to the same start and end date as the campaign, and we've also defaulted the story to be the same story as the campaign. We've heard from a lot of our customers that they wanted this to be defaulted, and it just makes sense. So it was a real easy change for us. Helps you guys create your campaigns much faster, or your needs much faster in your campaign. So we went ahead and did it. So real easy, some real quick wins for us and for you guys when you're creating these needs to make them faster. So lastly, we've done a lot of work this week around our second tab of our marketing engine, and that stuff, it was released, but it's hidden from view for you guys. But we did do some integrations with both Twitter and Facebook, and we started the process of helping auto post that stuff to Twitter and Facebook. So although it's not in production right now, let me give you a really quick sneak peek to what this will look like. As you remember last week, we talked about this direct marketing screen, and it shows here the QR code, the circular, the email template, and the email signature. What we have coming next week that'll be visible and fully usable by you guys is a social media tab. And we've got some wording changes to do here, but you get the idea. You get to select what events that you want to post to social media. A need opened, a need closing in a few days, need successfully funded, campaign open, campaign closing in a few days, and donations above a certain amount. You can select all or none or some of these. Change some of the options here as far as days or amounts, and then you can connect to Facebook and Twitter via your Facebook fan page if you have one, or your Twitter page if you have one. And once you connect to those guys and select the Facebook fan page that you want to post to, we'll automatically post these things to your pages for you. So this is truly a set it and forget it thing that you guys can spread the word to all of your followers, all the people on Twitter that are following you, all your Facebook likes, and you can spread the word about the needs you have, needs, successes you've had, stuff like that. So real cool way to integrate through social channels. We'll add more social channels as we go. Pinterest, Instagram, whatever else we can do to add here. But for now, we'll start with the biggies, Facebook and Twitter. In coming weeks, we'll be working on our search engine optimization tab and our add to your website tab. So, but just check next week and you'll see a lot more. This social media should be complete for you next week. So, as far as bugs fixed go, we went ahead and there was an error coming in some cases when folks were coming in and creating a new nonprofit. We've gone ahead and fixed that case so nobody has errors when they come in. So I think we're good to go with that. So anyway, good release this week. A lot of stuff that we've done you haven't really seen yet, but I'm real excited to show it to you next week. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Take care.